Welcome. If you want to add friends in your Garena Free Fire Max, at first you have to tap right here on this friend icons. As you can see right now, when you are here, we got the game friends, and we have to click to add friend. And we can, for example, pick, we can set up few searches like language, modes, gender, and active time. You can also input here the nickname to search, but I would like to invite, for example, this guy. So we have to tap on the plus, and the request was sent. If you want to make it manually, as you can see right now, we even request the invite the friend list, so we can accept. And right now I'm friend with this guy, and if you want to input nickname manually, you have to tap here. For example, like, I don't know, maybe we can type Justin, click OK. As you can see, we can find here a few Justin, so let's invite this one, for example. And right now, take a look, and I'm going to open my friend list. I will find this guy that invites me a few moments ago. You can also find here a few other like platform friends or dynamic duo. So with the platform friends, we can find people from other external apps like Lime, for example. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.